What's happening, party peeps? It's your boy, Simon's Isolation Inspiration. I'm taking a break from baking, getting fat. Instead, I'm going to be tackling another pandemic that's sweeping the world. Jarred sauces. This is what I'm on about when I mean jarred sauces. Bolognese in a jar. There's only one place for this. In there. Now I'm going to be showing you the quick, easy, healthy way of making bolognese. And you don't need to use that garbage. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients you're going to need to make this thing. There you go, legends. That's all the stuff you're going to need to make this thing. And if you want to know what's in here, have a look right here at all the stuff. Take a screenshot, write it down, do whatever you want with it. Now I know what you legends are thinking. What's all this garbage in the bowl? Well, it's mushrooms. I'm using this instead of meat. But if you want to use meat, use meat. It's your dinner at the end of the day, who cares? Now, I'm also using marmite. I know, I hate this stuff too. But trust me, it proper goes with this dinner. Now let's get this stuff chopped up. There's the stuff all cut up. Now let's get cooking. Join me over at the cooker. Get yourself a pan of water, give a little sprinkling of sea salt and get it on. That's your pasta water sorted. Also, get this pan on. So get yourself an oil and give it just a little drizzle. Now this is heated up, it's time to go in your mushrooms. If you're using meat, now's the time to put your mince in. Now you notice when you're frying mushrooms, a load of water comes out. Once all the water's evaporated, you know that they're done. And now your mushrooms are done, it's time to go in with all the other chopped veg. Bosh. Now your veg is cooking away nicely, it's time to get the pasta on. How much pasta do you need? Well, I'll just do one big handful. That's enough to feed 2 people. If you've got to feed more people, put another handful in. Now your pasta's on, that's going to take 10 minutes. And in the meantime, let's crack on with the sauce. Let's get this spag bowl proper saucy. Get a teaspoon of oregano or oregano, bosh it straight in and give that a stir. Now that's done, get your tin of tomatoes and bosh the whole lot straight in. Next, get your tomato puree and just give that a good old squeeze. Next, the dreaded marmite. You want a teaspoon of this stuff, bosh it straight in. Now I know what you're thinking. Ugh, marmite, yucky. Well, trust me, it adds some proper flavour to the sauce. But if you don't want to use it, just use a pinch of salt instead. Next, get a stock cube and just bosh the whole lot straight in. Then, grab 100 ml of boiling water. If you're cooking this for more, use 200 and tip the whole lot straight in. And that's your sauce done. How easy is that compared to that jarred garbage? Now, you want to pop a lid on this and leave it to boil until the pasta's done. There we go, champions. It's all cooked. There we go. Pasta's all done. Giving it 10 minutes and you'll know when it's cooked by tasting some. And if you think to yourself, cool, that tastes cooked, then it is. And now that's done, it's time to add the pasta to this slot. And once your pasta's in there, just give it a good old mix about. Done. Just get your tongs and pop it on a plate. Now, if you want to add cheese to the top of this, add cheese. But me, I'm going to add some basil. Why not? And the only easy way of doing this, bosh it straight on. And there we go. There's my banging bolognese, all done. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to eat some. Proper good. Tastier than a jarred sauce, cheaper than a jarred sauce, and healthier than a jarred sauce. It's a winner. Thank you all so much for taking the time out to watch this video. If you've enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. And until next time, jarred sauce sucks.